I drank a water. Some pussy shit. Josh has the right idea.
I am the light that will take you back home. Take you back home. I am the one that is feeling alone. I am the light that will take you back home. I am the one that is feeling alone.
Hey, my time is coming up, I can't go on. I'ma see you in the light, I can't hold on. You can be alone and relate. I got some fucking drugs in my veins, and baby, please wait. And I can't seem to think straight. Baby, kiss me on the neck when I'm feeling great. Guess I'm too late when I lost my best friend. I'll never forget that. He sent me a text before the last breath. Ain't nothing funny about being depressed when it feels like your whole life is already dead. I see you when I go to sleep. That is the only time we ever speak. Can I breathe, please? I will never go a fucking week where I can't think about you and it's suddenly creeping on me.
All we see is you, you know what's been on the front and I'm fucking discussions. I'm sitting
Motherfuck life, better think twice. Fucking with my life, gonna pay the price. Bitch, I'm fucking done with always being nice. And I'm the sickness that's coming out of Riverside. Motherfuck life, better think twice. Fucking with my life, gonna pay the price. Bitch, I'm fucking done with always being nice. And I'm the sickness that's coming out of Riverside. I am the light that will take you back home. I am the one that is feeling alone. I am the light that will take you back home. I am the one that is feeling Motherfuck life, better think twice. Fucking with my life, gonna pay the price. Bitch, I'm fucking done with always being nice. And I'm the sickness that's coming out of Riverside. Motherfuck life, better think twice. Fucking with my life, gonna pay the price. Bitch, I'm fucking done with always being nice. And I'm the sickness that's coming out of Riverside.
Drumming all these bodies going crazy. Call me nice, stutter like I'm coming from the 80s. Stone cold killer, fuck the Bible can't save me. Craving all this murder like a dog babies. Better watch out, coming for you now. Better bow down when I'm average in town. 702, this is our crew. Gotta play loose when the crew roll through. Yeah.
Take a fucking trip in my suicidal mind. If you're feeling overwhelmed, oh well, man, give it time. To all the people in the catacombs, they slitting, they wristing, they watching, they blood flow down in the drain as they looking at their grave and it's making them insane, right? Motherfuckers ain't gon' find the light. It doesn't even fucking matter, you gon' die tonight.
Stepping to the mind of an angel. You know what UAV, FTP, kill the game, bro. Breaching through the motherfucking walls like I'm Rambo. Now you're praying that you're going to heaven, but you can't go. Now your prayers getting sent down to hell in the mail. Dial 1-870-666 for some help. No, I'm not good for your health. Sending all my demons to my room from the shelf.
Come around here, get this in me. Automatic clip, so you better study physics. Ripping that game, so you better fucking listen. Speed with this shit because an average going wicked. Still coming back, did you motherfuckers miss me? Got a little while, been gone for a minute. Spit a couple bars and I guess they think I'm finished. Average came back with that motherfucking business.
What the fuck, man? I'm tired of these punk ass, fake ass rappers. It's UAV and Skitzer here to fuck the game up.
I don't need your apologies. Lyrics that I write committing murder psychologically. Fucking under average bitch, I am an anomaly. Coming from the underground and averages of prodigies. Skittle with no black, you coming out the night. Here to snap the neck, so don't turn off the lights. Coming from the flames, it's the Antichrist. On average coming from the afterlife, afterlife.
Walking through the motherfucking crypt. All the haters wanna say we never ready and our future just a myth, but we bound to this shit. Ride hands for this shit, and we breaking all the fucking necks in town for our shit.
Lately we've been dead inside and staring death right in his eyes. We taking life just as we tried, and we'll not part until we die.
And that shit, then the product is the money. Hit 'em with the song, ain't nobody fucking talking. Dismember all the bodies and I pack 'em in the closet. That's why they call me schizo, I'm the product of my genre. I know you know that I'm mental, playing with my blades and pistols. I'm psychotic, it's so simple. Burn the bodies, watch them sizzle. Driving all these bodies going crazy. Call me night stalker like I'm coming from the 80s. Stone cold killer, fuck the Bible can't save me. Raving on us murder like a dog babies. Better watch out, coming for you now. Better bow down when I'm average in town. 702, this is our crew. Gotta break loose when the crew roll through.
Smoke till I'm snug, I don't give a fuck cause I don't give a fuck. Hey, I try too much, but it wasn't enough. Hey, I ain't giving up, gonna keep myself up. Yeah, I'm smoking my blunts, I'm rolling another one up. Hey, you should be living it up, too busy giving a fuck. Hey, why you so worried about me? Bitch, go get you some treat. Hey, I stay repping my city, they hating on me out of pity. Hey, these demons are all in my head. They counting on me to get all of this bread. They judging the way how I live. Bitch, get the fuck off my dick. Hey, go through life lessons to learn. Rock to roll up and burn. Hey, stay on my ground, but don't worry about mine. Hey, I'm too young to be stressing. Why the fuck is you pressing? Hey, fuck are you hating and fuck what you bout? Talk all this shit with this Glock in your mouth. You think that you know me, come see what I'm bout. Pull up to the scene, better not pussy out. Making these moves, run your shit, then I'm out. They look at me, cause I'm a kid from the south. They have a doubt, I live while I can. Making this music and making these bands. Fuck all the fake, I don't reach to no hand. I look in the mirror, still see I'm the man. Still wanna come up, yeah, I got the plan. You fucking with me, turn your body to ash. You fucking with one, then you fucking with us. Pussy ass bitch, you want no one to trust.